Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Meta Quest 2 to Nintendo Switch in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this thing that there is no direct way for you to connect these two devices using the HDMI cable, USB or Bluetooth. Nintendo Switch does not output the VR compatible signals for third-party headsets. So to work around this, you can connect your Nintendo Switch dock to a capture card, and then you can connect that capture card with your PC. This allows you to switch the gameplay to appear on your computer screen. After that, you can use your VR streaming application on your Quest 2, such as Virtual Desktop, in order to access your PC screen inside the headset. Once connected, you will see your Switch gameplay displayed in the virtual screen. You can continue using your Joy-Cons or a controller connected to the Switch for gameplay. The Quest headset is only used as a display in this particular setup. You can also resize and position the virtual screen inside VR for compatible viewing experience. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.